Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is December the 26th, so as you know, Christmas was just yesterday, so we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Hope it was a blast. Hope you had a lot of fun times with your family. My name is Mitchell. I'm a manager here.
And I'm Justin. I'm a product owner and photographer.
So normally on this series, we go through the newsletter and show you everything hands-on. This week's a little bit of a shorter week because obviously it's Christmas. We weren't here the entire time, so we don't have as much content to give you, but we do still have something to highlight. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
The thing we want to highlight today is the Merry and Marked Down after Christmas and year-end sale. This is the end of the year sale that we do every year after Christmas. Christmas may be over, but the savings are not. You can shop up to 60% off in our biggest sale of the year. There are dozens of favorites all gathered in one easy spot. There's going to be a link down in the description. You can just click and everything will be all organized and highlighted for you. This is our final holiday event of the season. Once items sell out, they're gone for good. And this sale is going to go through December 31st, 2025, or until the items disappear. So if that sounds good to you, if you want to save so much money, make sure to end the year with a steal using our Merry and Marked Down after Christmas and year-end sale.
Then next we're gonna go to our comment of the week section. This is where we take a comment from last week's episode and put it on this week's episode. So today we wanna read it from Lone Star Quilter, who says, "Hi guys, love all the fabrics. I saw it, the elf did it. I saw a short video of the shop, very cool. Was a little confused as it made it seem we could come there and shop." I want to first off say thank you so much for the comment. I want to thank you for coming and checking out our video and dropping a comment below for us to be able to respond to. What you read in that short was true. You are able to come shop now. We were mostly just on Thursdays, but we kind of are now more open to the public on Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Thursdays is going to be the best day. We're going to make sure we are staffed every single Thursday for y'all to come and shop. Every other day is kind of be, as long as we're here and like enough of us are working for it, you're all free to. Thursdays, I can confidently say 100% you are free to shop from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All other days we are here and we are open. It just depends on our staffing, but you are free to come in and check it out. Since it is a Christmas week, we are going to be closed this day, the day of this video being uploaded on the 26th. We will not be here. Going into next week, you are free to come in and shop.
All right, and with that, like we said, short episode this week, but we will be back next week, January the 2nd, 2026, for our regularly scheduled Friday Fabric Finds. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching this week, even though if it was a shorter video. Make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment down below. We love to read any and every comment, even though you might not necessarily be picked. We love to read them all. And also, you have the opportunity to be picked for comment of the week. Also, make sure to follow us on social media. Links will be down in the description. And with that being said, we will see you next year for another episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Merry Christmas
and a Happy New Year.